the police of America or UK that they are knocking somebody. I have never supported this government before, but now I am supporting this government. Verydarkman, you must provide evidence to lend those DIG. Do you know where DIG is? Do you know where DIG is? There are only 8 DIGs in Nigeria. Before you can achieve that rank, is a position of authority, a position of respect. Or a butter. Only they are knocking Bobrisky. You watch it, Ari? My people, fake news don't spoil so many things for this world. Do you know how many countries where fake news don't spoil? And this boy come out, open his mouth, say Nigerian DIGs, say they not Bobrisky. Wallahi, you must provide evidence. You must provide evidence. You must provide evidence.
Oh my people, this Verydarkman matter no small again. No, it don't escalate to something where we no fit explain again. So according to the news, they talk say Verydarkman meet up with the bail condition, but the cocoa wey dey on ground be say police DIGs no gree make the bail Verydarkman. They talk say he must come out to prove wetin he talk by saying that police DIGs, the highest rank of police wey dey for Nigeria, dey bash Bobrisky. Omo, in this life, make we pray make our mouth and phone and data no put us for trouble. So my people, the sad breaking news wey dey on board be say Verydarkman will be held till after Easter. Then after that, he'll be taken to court where he'll be providing all the evidence say police DIGs dey bash Bobrisky. As if that one is not enough, now so Uche Mmaduagwu come out, come dey fuse dey board. They say he support government. Say Verydarkman don too do for internet. He dey cause nuisance. He need to learn in the hard way. Now so he talk say he must provide evidence. Say the allegation wey he give for police DIGs no need mercy at all. My people, as it is now, make we start to dey pray for Verydarkman, no, cause nobody knows what the next level will be. Wetin una think? Do you think Verydarkman deserves a second chance? Write down for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the tutorial body. But now as you dey do am for this page, you see I'm a boy girl Cindy. For this page, in originality they bring authentic news with the tutorial body. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.